Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit on CapCut. Keep watching the video till the end. To edit on CapCut, firstly go ahead and launch open your CapCut application. The home page of CapCut application will appear on the screen. Click on New Project option. Select any of your videos or picture according to your preference and click on Add. Now to edit on CapCut, you can use the options at the bottom of the page. You can add text, audio, overlay, add effects and many more. Here, let me add text. So click on text option and tap on add text. Enter a text that you'd like to add and click on tick mark icon. You can also add a background, change font, size and animate a text as well. To add sound, click on audio and tap on sounds. You can either browse a sound or add music from your device as well. Search for a sound or music you'd like to add and tap on plus icon. Your sound will be added to your project in no time. You can also add stickers or GIFs to your project. For that, click on stickers and then tap on plus icon. Select your GIF and tap on it. Play your project by tapping on play button and you can see your final result. Likewise, you can also add animations to your project by tapping on animation and selecting the one that you would like as well. This is how you can edit on CapCut quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.